floodwaters are overtopping levees throughout Missouri. The Sugar Lake levee in northwest Platte County was breached this morning, and evacuation orders are already in place for Winthrop, Missouri and Lewis and Clark Village. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney has the latest from the Buchanan County town. Michael?
Indeed, Larry, we're actually in Lewis and Clark State Park next to the village, and behind me here, 3 hours ago, Larry, that was a parking lot, and now it looks more like a boat ramp, and it's that way because very early this morning, a levee to the southwest of Lewis and Clark Village was topped. That means that the water started coming over the top of it. It did not break. So many are now voluntarily leaving Lewis and Clark Village because the flood is coming. This is the water pouring over the top of the levee. And this is the result. The Sugar Lake floodgate is supposed to send water out, but the water's so high, it's coming in.
It's running, it's actually supposed to be going out of the lake down to the river when it's too high. But now the river's higher than the lake is, so everything's coming back into the lake.
In Lewis and Clark Village, the evacuation is underway.
So the lake's risen probably 2 foot here in the last few hours. And it's just going to seek out the lowest spot, but it keeps coming in.
Several families here are moving today. Don Bramble was hoping this year it would be different.
Hoping not. We didn't know until they said the river's going 31 foot. We pretty much knew then. But we thought we was going to beat it, and it ain't going to happen.
He's right on that. Still looking at that parking lot, and the water continues to come in. Now, the other thing that is a problem up here is they got very heavy rains in some spots of northwest Missouri, as much as 4 inches or more in some spots. So now some of the tributaries of the Missouri River, like the Platte River and the Nottoway River, are at major flood stage as the water begins to back up on them. So really, the situation up here is getting worse. We're live at Lewis and Clark State Park. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.